This is pretty. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you everyone for subscribing to my channel. This is amazing. We are almost at 400,000 subscribers, so yay! Today's video is sponsored by Ishow hair, and I have this gorgeous deep curly wig that I want to put on. Like, I love deep curly wigs. Every time I get a chance to review a deep curly wig or put on a deep curly wig, I'm going to take that opportunity. She is really beautiful, and today I'm going to do something different. I'm going to comb her out. We're not going to wet her, and I do have like some side baby hair going on here, and she is in a deep part, so I kind of want a deep part side combed out curly style today. So let me get into how I actually styled her off my head so she could be ready to be laid. We have two combs at the side, a comb at the back at the nape of the neck, and we have a comb in the middle of the wig, and we have like a pretty good parting space here. We're just gonna put her on, and she is a glueless wig, so I feel like I might not even need spray to hold her down, but we'll see. So I'm going to cut the lace and make sure this lace is not coming over my ear, because I can feel it. I can feel this lace over my ear. Going to take an edge comb, just fix these edges a little bit more. We are going to comb this hair out, and I'm excited because this hair looks great, and I feel like it's just gonna look even greater as I comb her out. This is pretty. I definitely feel like a wild child in this, and I'm not getting any shedding. Like, this is so pretty. It's like that big, beautiful summer hair, but it's only in the fall. Let's see if this hair is truly giving. And this is the final look. I'm obsessed with the comb out curls. I was in the mirror a little bit too long and I forgot I had to return back. There's so much hair here to work with. You can straighten it, you can blow it out, you can curl it, you can leave it as is, you can comb it out. The natural pattern is gorgeous. Let me know what you think. Do you like the comb out curls? Like, I am in love with comb out curls, like comb out natural curls. This looks really good. And check out this wig down below. You do not want to miss out on this gorgeous, gorgeous wig. All of the information is going to be right there. And follow me on Instagram, PassionJones12. Subscribe to my OF for exclusive content. And subscribe to our Poly channel. We are going to be back very soon. There's a lot of things going on. There's so many things going on. Check out all those links down below, and I want to see you in the next hair video. Bye!